And that's what I said. How you doing, friends? Welcome to another episode of Analyzing the Markets with J Flores. This is the week of November 15 already. Wow. Time flies. We're having fun. We're going to analyze the markets. I'm using multiple time frame systems, so you guys can read it right here. This is an amazing system that it's making a lot of money for a lot of people, a lot of pips, market traders, Forex in specific. That doesn't mean you cannot use it in other markets like stocks or options. But this is a great system. So it consists of let me show you guys real quick. I hope I don't erase this marks. They're already pre-arranged before we started the video, so we won't waste time. Every time we get a magic arrow, you can see it very clearly. Very clearly right there. You get a magic arrow. You can see that the market, it's in this case, what's a sell? And the market drops automatically. Just sell in this part right there. The market drops. If you get a buy on the magic arrow, the market starts going up. Okay. Now a lot of people are asking is if this system repaints. Now, I don't know of a system out there that it doesn't recalculate. I mean, a lot of people, they call it repaint, and I know what they mean. You know, if this how it looks right now, because it looks impressive. Well, it is very close to this. Sometimes the market, as you know, it moves also on fundamentals, not only in technical analysis, but fundamentals by news. That's what I meant. And it all depends on the news. The market can go out of its way a little bit, but it has to come back to its means all the time. It's got to follow. So this, it recalculates. It can move a little bit, maybe one time, but that's it. But I can tell you 80-90% of the time what you see right here, it's what actually happens. Okay, so there's no system out there that is not gonna recalculate. These are algorithms that are recalculating the move of the market, and obviously it's gonna recalculate or it's gonna repaint, if you call it that way. But that's how it is. And as you get more experience, you will understand what I mean. As you get more experience with price action and all that, we're just waiting for the right opportunity. What the system, multiple time frame, is doing for us is telling us the direction, and that almost never fails. Okay, we're always looking 75% winning rate. We always get 80-90, no problem. So if you're interested in getting this system, we have a special link under the video. Again, my name is J Flores. This is multiple time frame system made by Tim with Irvin, which in fact we just came out with another system for scalpers, people who like to scalp the markets, like to want to be in front of a computer or in their phones, and it's proving very effectively. Let me see if I can show you some of the results right here in our group, because we have a group right now that is growing, and everybody shows their results pretty much how they're doing during the week. Okay, for example, I don't know if I can show this right here. Let me see. How can I show this? Okay, let me move this way so you guys can see it real quick. You see that scalping system right there? It's working real good. Just gonna give you a small preview, but the system is working real good. So So we got pretty much two different system, which is kind of the same. Multiple time frame. This is the main system, and then recently came out with the scalper for multiple time frame also. Because you got to look at the higher time frames, even for scalping, just to ensure better results on your trade. Okay, let's get to it. Let's go to 4 hour right now, and already pre-mark everything so we don't waste a lot of time. In a daily, we know we're in a downtrend. Then we have a buy right here, magic arrow. This is our counter trend trade. We're going against the main trade, but when you know what we're doing, when you have a system like that, it is very possible. Although if you're a newbie, if you're barely starting, we don't recommend to go against the trend. You always want to go with this one, with the trend. What I mean is you always want to take this trade. No, don't take this one, don't take this one, unless you know exactly what you're doing, you're experienced already, then you do it only with this system. Okay, so we're expecting the market to drop a little bit here. Let's look at this in 1 hour. Okay, we're expecting the market to drop about this area, maybe this area, or it can continue sideways and then continue its way up. But I'm expecting the markets to go to that golden area right there, or our golden zone, this area. I'll look at the structure right there. So that's the next possible structure for the market to go on the odd NCD. I should have started on the top, but let me go to JP odd. I'm in this trade right now. In my real account, well, this is a real account, but this is a very small account that I use only for demo and testing different stuff. For real money, but it's a very small account. But on my real account, I'm also up in this, and I'm holding this until it goes up here. Anyways, I have marked that. Let's go to the 4 hour. So we're expecting GP odd to go in the uptrend direction. On this one, it's real good because we're going with the trend. Okay, so there's a good, very high possibility trade to go to the area and more. Okay, so that's the direction. Now, if you don't have the system, some people ask me, hey, can you give us your input? How will you take if you don't have the system? If you're only going to listen to my videos, and remember, you trade with your own risk and use risk reward all the time. The way I would do it, if I were to trade this, and I'm telling you, it's going to go up. Okay, so the best way you can do is make a trend line like that from this correction coming down. Get the high point, get the next high point, because this high point, middle, low right here, this high point, middle, low right there, so the trend line belongs right there. Okay, then the moment it crosses, you enter, you put the stop loss in the previous low before before you enter the trade. You put your stop loss right there, and now we're gonna let the trade run and see. We'll see how it goes. But we wait for the breakouts of trend lines. Okay, so already went into it because I saw that last week, and it went high, it went up almost half of my way, but I didn't close it. I want to go all the way up here, and now it's going consolidating again, but we're expecting the market to go here if everything goes as planned. Okay, so that's for GP odd, GP, JPY, and I'm taking pictures of all this predictions that I'm doing, or just analysis that we're doing. I won't say predictions because I don't have a crystal ball with me, but I'm just following price action and multiple time frame system. It's helping definitely. So, but on GP JPY, you can see that on 4 hour, the master trend, and only with the system you can tell automatically what is the master trend. This is a counter trend trade again, but this week I am going up, maybe to that area. We'll see how far we can go. Let me go to the 1 hour. So this is my golden zone right there. Hopefully I can hit it, and from that point the market is going to start dropping. There's a few pips we can make right there. The market's right here right now. It's more than 100 pips. And again, if you don't know how to take this trade, Make yourself a trend line right there again. Make yourself a trend line right there. And if you see the market closing with one of the candles in green up here or crossing, I'm using the special characters for the candles, but if you're using the normal ones for breakouts, it's better to use the normal ones. So if you see a breakout in this area, just take the trade. And if you're not sure, some people don't like to take just a breakout, you want to wait for a retest. That's going to be even better. If you have the patience to wait for a retest, then you're going to take that trade to the upside. This is for JPY, Euro USD. This is one of my favorite trades for this week. Favorite trade, Euro USD. Master trend coming down. We can see it. And then last week the market went down and then it's doing a correction. Let's go to the 1 hour. When I have a correction like that, I like to use trend lines, because the trend line is going to give you a very good timing to entry into the market. Okay. Plus, you can tell acceleration or deceleration of the market through that. So I put a trend line. My main trend line is right here. Touch 1, touch 2. I put my trend line. Then my secondary trend line is right there. There's the origin, and then it goes to the second touch right there. So what I am waiting this week is for the market to break this trend line, and almost every time it's gonna go and visit that one. Then at this point we decide if we're gonna continue in the trade or if it's gonna rebound up again. Okay, so we'll wait for that price actions for this week. But on the Euro USD, we're expecting, or our trade bias will be in the sell. Okay, so that's Euro USD. USD CHF, because I already did all the NCD in the beginning. In the 4 hours, we got a master trend going up, so we got a good trade right there. I'm still probably, it's already hitting that. Sometimes this MA, I use it at 100, sometimes I use it at 50. My favorite one is use it at 50, but it's sitting right there right now. So let's look at an hour. In an hour, already broken down, so that's why I'm expecting the market to go lower, maybe a little bit lower, maybe to that structure right there, this area over here. And then our job is to just wait, go to the 1 hour. What did I said about the trend line again? If you want to take this trade to the upside, low, low, so that's the Fibonacci right there. Okay, let me get rid of that. Put yourself a nice trend line again, right there. The moment you see a breakout, take that trade. Take that trade. Put your stop loss right here. Again, I'm not saying to you how much money you should, put in the market. It's your responsibility. Please don't blame me. Okay, do your own analysis the way you understand the market, but I'm telling you what I would do. Okay, and what I'm going to do if I see that happening. Now, when the price comes into that trend line, look at the action, because it can rebound down again. Okay, and go lower. But if you see that it's breaking up and then you wait for a retest, even better, you can take it up. How far are we going with this? Well, let me check something. We're going, we should go at least to this point right here. That's a safe trade. And just to that is 50 pips, no problem. If it breaks that area, it can go a little bit higher. Okay, it will go higher, definitely has to go higher, but I don't know how low is it going to come. This trading can come to our golden zone if it comes here. I marked this because it's high possibilities that the market is going to visit this golden zone right there. Okay. And this golden zone is just based on structure of the market. That's all it is. So we're waiting for that to rebound, and we'll see how the market behaves this week. And NCD CHF, we are coming in the magic area telling us to sell, but right now we're in a PB, a pullback. Okay, let's look at the master trend. Master trend is going up. So although we are coming in a pullback, this is going with the master trend. This one itself, just for the PB, for the pullback of this momentum right here, of this action. So I'm waiting for the market to go up on NCDCHF. Same story, okay? I'm telling you, we're gonna go up. We're gonna try to go up. Put yourself a nice trend line. Don't worry if the trend line's not perfect, you know. Trend line already started going sideways right there. What I would do, and I'm gonna tell you another secret right there. You see this resistance right there, or ceiling. You can see it right there. I'm gonna make it a little bigger. Everybody can see it. You just want to look in the price action, the very small moves. I will put my ceiling right there. Okay. Now you have the 50 also right there. If I see that my price breaks this ceiling and my 50, I will definitely go at least to that, to this level right here of structure that I'm giving to you guys right there. Okay, I will definitely shoot to that, and then expect to drop another drop after that. Then after that, we're going up. Okay, and for the USD Mexican peso, let's look at this also. USD Mexican peso master trend. We are still coming down. So if I go to the 4 hour, I'm expecting the market. This is a PB. Okay, that doesn't mean that we cannot trade that. We just got to do it very carefully and with less lots on your trade. So I'm expecting the market to go up, but it is possible for the market to go a little bit lower. Although I like that area, anywhere in this area to the market start coming up during this week. So we got to be checking on that. Same story. You know the market is going in that direction. Put yourself a nice trend line. Or if that trend line breaks sideways like that, then you make it bigger so you can see the price action. If that trend line went already broke for some reason, but I don't think it hasn't been broke yet. This is my highest price action. And then it starts going sideways, then I will wait for that break to the upside. Okay, so that's what I have for this week, and we're gonna analyze the markets again. See you guys back on Wednesday. Please, if this is your first time looking at this video, sign up, subscribe, please hit the bell so you can get a warning or an alert when I'm gonna drop another video. So you can see it and you follow up the trades. Okay, so we're gonna start pretty soon measuring up how many trades we're making per week. That way, okay, we'll see this is a legit system or not. So we're gonna start testing it like that too. So stay tuned. Please share and look. Please, I want you to follow these trades. Okay, follow this trade so you can see if we're in the right track. And this is something for you. Like I said, we have the system going. It comes with there's a group also that you can do. It's a monthly subscription. It's very cheap, $39, but you get to be in the group and we all share ideas and everything. But the system itself, you know, we're running this special still. If you use my coupon, use JF, which is J Flores 20, you get $20 off. And make sure you also message directly to Tim with Irvin, which the link is going to be also under the video. He will give you an additional $39 off. It's a one-time payment for life, and you keep this great system for the rest of your life. No more payments on that, okay? So thank you very much. Have a great week. Don't give up on trade. Don't give up on Forex. Sometimes it takes some time, but you're gonna make it. You're gonna make it. Stay close. You're gonna drop help, please comment. Let me know if you want me to analyze any pair, any forex pair. I can do gold also, but I don't have it in this broker. So any forex pairs, I will gladly do it. But let me know on the comments, and I will definitely give you a great analysis for that pair. God bless you all. Bye bye.